Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are gonna watch how to apply for a work visa to Romania online, or in other terms e-visa for Romania online for work. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. My intention is to show you how to navigate through a service. So guys, in front of you I have opened the official Ministry of Foreign Affairs site. So you have a link to apply for a visa. Click on apply, e-visa portal. So terms and condition, you can go through it, and once you are okay, you need to click on apply, check the checkbox, and then click on next. General information. All right, so you need to put an email address, password, and also um, this captcha. So I'm gonna do that, then we'll go to the next. So once you are through that step, it sends you a file number to the email account you have sent. So you have put, so you need to put that password and captcha, and then you can go to the next. I'm gonna do that. Then it asks some questions related to your current nationality, country of residence, diplomatic, consular post of Romania, official travel document. So I selected some values, okay, but you need to put as per your, is your travel document biometric. I selected no, but if it is yes, click yes, whatever is applicable as per your case. Now this is very important, which visa depending upon your purpose of journey. So let's say you want to go for employment. I already selected employment, so let's go and click on next. Next is asked, like, if you are in one of these situations, you are a family member of citizen of EU, Switzerland, and some other. Are you? I am the family member of a Romanian citizen and other criteria. So I select no, but read it through. If you are fulfilling, check those options. Now it comes the supporting documents: work permit, means of support, criminal record, travel, medical insurance, valid travel document, photographs. So I assume like you already have the work permit, long stay visa, employment mark until third, you see, and then you are applying for an e-visa to travel. Okay, so I assume you already have this, and means of support, proof of means support, the level of minimum guaranteed gross salary for the entire period specified in the visa. Of course, when you're working, I'm going to get the salary, right, and that too should meet some criteria. Okay, you can click on everything, and that's gonna help you. If you want to provide other supporting documents, you can upload it here, and you also need to check this box that you can be requested to provide more documents as well. Next is particular situations as regards certain supporting documents, third party national whose access to is established through agreement, convention, and whatever is applicable. You can read it out if it applies to you, and you can also save it. So I'm going to next. Now comes personal data. Okay, so few answers are already selected and some are mandatory. So even if some piece of information are not mandatory, I would always suggest put that information if you have it, right? There's nothing to hide. So I'm going to put some sample and we'll go to the next screen. So after collecting personal details, it's now asking about your travel document details. So one answer is already picked up, and then occupation details. So this is for like for students. So for work visa it's not required, but so I'm going to put some sample documents and we are going to do the next stage. Okay, next comes number of requested entries. So based on the case, duration of stay, number of days. So if you are going for 2 years, convert your number of days to number of years to days. So I'm just putting, oh, it is accepting only 90. Oh, because this is for the visa, not for the work permit. Okay, I got it. So I'll just put 78 if anything is previous in Romania, other Schengen member state. I have nothing, but if you have, provide the information. Date of arrival in Romania, I'll put third. Date of departure from Romania, okay. So I'll just go for, let's see if it accepts. Okay, planned route. So you need to provide all that information, but I'm just answering mandatory questions just to show the next step. Provide proper answers, don't do what I'm doing. Company contact person from Romania, this is very important. Cost of living, host company, if I select, it's become mandatory. If I select myself, then this, of course, like when you're going for employment, it could be myself, it could be host company. So I'm just selecting some, but it varies case by case, right? Your family, you can add, modify, but these are non-mandatory, so I'm just going to the next stage. Host person, hotel where you're gonna stay. So hotel, sample guys, don't do this, provide actual values. I'm at 11. Home address, I'll just put some sample New Delhi. So you have to provide address, I'm just skipping it because I don't okay, now you have provided all the information, and of course you can always edit and you can send also. And because, but I did not upload a document something, so I would not submit it like this is to send file, I'm not gonna do that. And you can download also, and you can upload also. So thanks for watching this video guys, now you have got the idea. And please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.